pocket of a cheek. There we go. Good boy. Some more. Swallow that down. That's the way. Come on, you swallow it.
Come on.
There we go. One more little drip, okay?
Ay, matanya.
That's the end. That's the end of it. You did good. You did good with that. We're going to wipe. It's sticky. I know.
Yay! Clap your hand. Good job. You're such a big boy. Yay! Yeah. Don't like it, huh? Don't like it?
It's like sugar. One more?
More? No, that's enough. You still can taste it in his mouth. It's like that. Yeah, yeah. I know. It's okay. Mm-hmm.
You tell
okay.
Mom what it tastes like, huh? You tell
It's
her?
okay.
Buddy, I'm going to undo your snaps here a minute so I can get to your legs, okay? Oh, do you know what's coming now? Do you know what's coming now? Probably, huh?
Strong boy, strong boy. You a strong boy. You a strong boy. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, he knew. He knew. It's okay. I know.
No, 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 no.
I know. Oh, he's alright.